What's up guys, in this video today I am going to show you the top 5 best ATV batteries. ATVs are not just for pleasure. Many of you may use yours to carry out specific jobs, such as plowing snow, traveling around a farm, and so on. There are a lot of products available to choose to ATV batteries, each with excellent characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I have done deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best ATV batteries product from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Weize YTX14BS ATV battery. There are a lot of good ATV batteries on the market today, but we are sure that you will struggle to find one better than this. Firstly, we were impressed when it comes to the price of this battery, in comparison to the different options that are available. Like most of the ATV batteries that are available at the top end of the market, you can be sure of low maintenance and protection, thanks to the AM technology. It is also believed that you will get approximately 3 years of good charge when using this battery, and this is with relatively regular use as well. These batteries have been constructed with absorbed glass mat, AM technology and lead calcium alloy. Therefore, you can be sure of high performance operation and no maintenance. Aside from this, we have been impressed with the high quality materials that have been used to construct these batteries. Furthermore, the battery has been tested stringently to make sure of safety, as well as optimal performance, effectiveness, and OEM compatibility. The model promises no water to check, as well as no leaks and spills. Corrosion is also prevented, extending the life of the battery. Number 2. Chrome Battery YTX14BS Maintenance. This ATV battery is advertised as being maintenance-free, which is always a good place to start with a review. You don't want to buy a battery that requires loads of maintenance, as this takes up time, and means you're constantly worrying about it. The secret to this lack of maintenance comes in the form of absorbed glass mat technology. Essentially, this means that the battery acid is safely absorbed by special plates, which prevents corrosion. This makes it a spill-proof battery as well, which ultimately leads to extended battery life. Another thing to consider when buying the best ATV battery is how durable the product is. Think about it, you're going to be riding around in all weather conditions across varying terrains. Your battery will take a beating, so you need something that's durable and can withstand this. Needless to say, the Chrome battery is more than capable of this. They also come with extreme versatility as the batteries are sealed. This means you can mount them in any position. Number 3. Pirate Battery YB14AA2 Conventional. If you are looking for a reliable type of battery that you can always count on, you have found it with the Pirate Battery YB14AA2. You know what they say, old is gold, and this is definitely the case with this lead acid battery. You can replace your existing battery with the big inventory of YB14AA2 power sport batteries that are available. Out of all of the batteries you can purchase on the market at present, there is no denying that AM-sealed lead-acid batteries are deemed the highest performing. These batteries are constructed with absorbed glass mat technology and lead calcium alloy, resulting in operation that is free of maintenance. AM separators boast a superior design, promising no leaks and no spills. Not only are we impressed with the qualities associated with these batteries. Number 4. Chrome Pro YTX12BS Battery. In terms of technical specifications, this can prove to be an impressive choice. It has 12 amp hour and 200 cold cranking amps. Meanwhile, it can deliver 12 volts of power, which will make it deliver optimal reliability. The durability of this battery is also a good thing. Even through the years, it will function at its best. It is totally sealed, which means that it will never spill. Regardless of the vibration and movement of your ATV, the battery will not be affected. It is also an exceptional choice because it is maintenance-free. Adding water will never be required throughout the functional life of the battery. Lastly, it is advanced lead calcium technology. The latter is the one responsible for allowing the battery to hold its gravity 3 times better compared to traditional batteries. Chrome batteries come fully charged and ready to go once delivered. Simply connect your battery to the application and you are ready to go. Number 5. Mighty Max Battery YTX14A. Next up, we have a battery that's more than mighty. This offering works really well in cold conditions, thanks to 210 cold cranking amps that get it up and running, even when it's below freezing. As such, this is a great option if you regularly go out in the snow. But it still offers incredible performance in warmer climates as well, so it's a good all-rounder. Again, you get the benefit of buying an ATV battery that comes fully charged and ready to use. This saves you from having to charge it up yourself, meaning you can use it right away. Speaking of which, you will be able to use this regularly for around 2 years before it needs to be replaced. At the price point, this works out to be very affordable. You also have the benefit of being able to mount this in pretty much any position you desire, which is so helpful for many reasons. It's shock and vibration proof too, so you don't need to worry about causing damage to your battery when you're bumping and roaming around on your ATV. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy the videos, please daily so to subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, do check out my description box. You can for any kind of problem, please comment below.